Thoubal Court Complex na hangdokliba NIA gi Special Court asina achumba wayel fangnabagidamag khumang sausan haina yunam kemcha na Handokkhre wafam asi Manipur ki Law and Legislative Affairs Department na High Court of Manipur ga khusam naraga Thoubal District ki khangabukta leiba Court Complex ta NIA gi Exclusive Special Court Manipur hangdokpagi thauramda mahakna phongdokhibane Thoubal Court Complex ta leiba Annex Building number 3 Building the 3 ahum suba floor da National Investigation Agency ki Special Court adu Chief Minister Y.K. Chana haunabi matung inna hangdoklaba matung Court Complex asida thauram amasu pangthokhi maduda Manipur ki Home Minister Govindas Konthauzam High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice M. Sundar Court asima ki Justice A. Bimol amasung Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma Khangaboge CMLA Okram Surja Kumar amadi Manipur ki Principal Secretary Law Arun Kumar Sinha na mithunglen sing oina sarugya ke District Level Officers sing tongan ba court ki Judge amadi Advocate sing na sarugya ki bathoram maduda athoiba mithunglen gi warol piraduna Chief Minister Yumnam Khemcha na High State asida NIA gi court ama leiba sina case kaya loisina ba hotnabada hena khumang sausan bangam lagani high bagi thazabalai Manipur asi irang leiba state ama oiba maram na tongan ba case kaya NIA gi court ta aduki matik leitaba nate NIA na paiba case ki damag client sing na Manipur ki wangmada trial gi damag chatpada khudong chadaba kaya mayok naramba adu ngasi hangdokliba NIA gi court asina khara makhai di safahan ba ngamlagani loinana achumba wayel fangna ba hotnabada su khumang chausin na thabak tawbagi system ama uba fanglagani haina Chief Minister na phongdokhi ningsing bayabadi NIA gi Special Court asi India lenga ki Ministry of Home Affairs na National Investigation Agency Act 2008 ki Section 11 ki makhada Special Court Manipur for NIA cases haiba court asi Thoubal Court Complex ta hangdokpani court asina Thoubal District khaknatana Manipur pumbagi oiba case singi trial chathagani court asida NIA Act 2008 ki Section 11 ki subsection 1 Clause 1 gi makhada Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice amasung Manipur lenga kalwinana schedule offense ki trial sing NIA na thizinduna chathagani hairi
NIA ki court ama laibasina justice bill deliver to matamda ki khumang section na thuna tawgani haigi hazaba thanjari loinana irang leiba lewa ngia NIA related court case si atuki matik yamna leibanina ki client sing na mapan da chatana am expensive oina chalam boduma handarani haigi adugi engonda ki pause loinana justice deliver to buda thu ba matamda tawgi system ama nakna le dabulina oilagani